Today, I'm going to explain how you can use Claude AI to automatically edit your videos 10 times faster using the AutoEdit Content Creator Mode plugin. I'm going to be doing a full breakdown explanation of what this plugin is, how it works, how it uses Claude AI, and how you can use it completely for free to help you edit your videos 10 times faster. Without further ado, let's dive straight into it. Alright guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro. So to download the AutoEdit plugin, you go to autoeditai.net and you can download it literally for free. So this plugin has a free plan and there are a paid plan as well. So basically how it works and what this really is, like at the end of the day, if you've seen this plugin, you're like, what is this Claude plugin? How do I use Claude in Premiere? I've been seeing all this hype around it. You download the plugin and then once you download it, you just install it. It's like a package file that you just install like any other Mac desktop app and then restart Premiere Pro. Once you restart Premiere, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Content Creator Mode. And it works inside of Premiere Pro as an extension. For those of you who don't know, extensions are basically like apps on your phone, but for Premiere Pro. So if your Premiere Pro is your iPhone, then plugins and extensions are the apps. And essentially, what you can do are features in this plugin which will affect your timeline. So the big feature that is highlighted a lot in the AutoEditAI.net website is the Claude editing feature. So you can literally type prompts like you would to Claude and edit your video based on it. So right now it is pretty limited, but the capabilities are going to be expanded a lot in the future. There's a lot more stuff that's going to be added, especially when it comes to what you can actually tell it to do. The Claude feature is obviously paid because it uses a lot of credits to process it. But the cool thing about this plugin is it also has a bunch of free tools. So right now there's only 5, but in the future there's going to be a 6th tool added. And you can do stuff like literally silence cutting. So for example, if you have footage where there is a lot of loud audio and noise, and then there's moments where you're not talking and you're just kind of thinking and you're not saying anything, you can just remove those silences just by using the free silence cutter, and it will just cut out those silences for you, automatically editing the timeline. So you can see we set it on a really high intensity, so it's cutting a lot of stuff out of our timeline. But this helps a lot, and especially because a lot of other plugins literally charge for silence cutters, and on the AutoEdit AI plugin, it is literally free forever, and you never need a credit card to even sign up for this feature. So you can download this feature for free. And another cool thing about this is once it's done, we're gonna wait for this to finish silence cutting. There's also a bunch of free motion graphic templates, so animated viral caption, title cards, effects, and stuff like that. You can go ahead and apply them to your videos with the Claude plugin. So you can go to motion graphics. Basically, the value is worth a free, paid preset pack that you just get for free in this plugin. So you can go ahead and make these aesthetic title card text animations. For example, you can create these style text animations. Look at this. This looks so clean. The fact that this is just made in a couple clicks is crazy. So all of these features come free for no credit card required in the plugin. But if you want to use the Claude Creator Mode feature and cut out the silences, bad takes, repeats, and filler words of your content, you can do so by just typing a prompt of oh, listen to the video. This is a tutorial. This is an Instagram reel, a talking head video, etc. And you can tell it to edit the rough cut for you. And this will just do a great job at, if you're a content creator who, records a lot of raw talking head footage, this plugin is really great for that. TikToks, YouTube videos, maybe even podcasts, because it can find the highlight moments of the podcast. If you want to make short form clips of it, you can just prompt it. It takes a transcript, and the thing is, it requires that you have talking in your video. So this isn't just for footage where it's just quiet or ASMR videos. It's not going to visually understand the context of your video. But if you have talking in the video and there's a person and it's a raw recording maybe, but you make mess ups, you repeat yourself sometimes, you're like, hey guys, my name is Devin. Hey guys, my name is Devin. This plugin is literally perfect for that. It uses Claude, the best models, to understand the context of your video based on what you said, what are the repeated takes, what are the good takes, and then it'll keep and cut all those takes for you. And like I said, it works off of being a plugin. So you can see right now, it's literally just going ahead and cutting out those bad takes and filler words, which, as you can see, I made a lot of mistakes in this recording because I was trying to do my reel And then once it's done editing, it'll take you to this page where you can literally just review, like, oh, I would keep this, I would cut that, I would keep this, etc. if Claude makes any mistakes. And then once you're done, you can just go ahead and apply all, and you can see it found a chapter type, like a general topic of my video. And then boom, just like that, it cut out a full rough cut of my reel for me. So then that way I don't have to go ahead and rewatch all my footage to understand what I'm talking about, what are the bad takes, what should I keep, what should I cut, etc. And it just makes it really easy, especially if you're a content creator. So this plugin is specifically built for that, specifically for Premiere Pro. Like I said, you have to have Premiere Pro to use this plugin, but it is completely for free to download and test out if you just want to try some of the basic features. But the Claude feature has a 3 free day trial as well, so you can check that out. But the other tools are free forever. There's no trial on that. It's literally just free. So if you want to check it out, I've linked to it below. Let me know if you have any questions. There's a bunch of other tools in here as well, like captions applier, automatic podcast editor, AI sound effects generator, captions lab, like a bunch of crazy stuff in here that we have other videos linked on our channel. So I've linked to them right here, but let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy editing. And now if you want to learn how you can use AI to automatically edit your music videos and event recap videos, then you can check out this video linked right here.